Christmas to all my family and friends and subscribers. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to all of my friends and family and subscribers at this special time of year. Time of year where you can wrap everything up and unwrap it at the same time. Santa brought you everything that you could have wished for. Been working hard, being good little boys and girls out there, so I know you got what you wanted. Just a short message today. to say Merry Christmas and La Navidad es un tiempo de familia. So, we will see you next year. Merry Christmas!